Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adi Atmokunto Aji. This time I will talk about the question word. First, what is the function of the question word or WH question? Question word are used by someone to ask for information to which the person speaking must provide a clear answer. In other words, you cannot answer a question sentence in the form of a question word using only yes or no. There is 9 question word. First is what, second where, why, when, which, who, whom, and whose, and how. First, what. What is used to ask about things. You can also use the word what to ask for repetition or confirmation of what someone else has said. Example, what are you doing? What time is it? What is your name? Example of asking for repetition or confirmation is what, I can hear you. The next is you did what. Second is where. Where is used to ask for the location and position of someone or something. Example, where do you live? Where they live? Where is my handphone? Where are you headed? Where should I park? The third is why. Why function to ask for reason of or cause to find out the background of something happening. Example, why do you never teach in class? Why are you crying? Why do you come late? Why do you love me? The fourth is when. When is used to ask about time. This question word is closely related to the adverb of time. Example, when do you finish college? When did she leave? When will the meeting start? The fifth is which used to ask about choice or preference. Example, which do you prefer, GSX RS600 or Aprilia RS660? Which color do you want? Next is who to ask about people or a person as a subject. Example, who are you? Who opened the window? Who is your favorite JKT48 member? Or who owned this bag? Next is whose. Whose is a question word to ask for possession aka ownership. Whose car is that? Whose turn is it? Whose wallet is this? Whose car was stolen? Next is whom. Whom is type of question word for a person who has the position of being the object or recipient of the action of the subject. Example, whom are you going to meet? Whom was Budi talking to? Whom will you marry? The next is how. How is used when you want to ask about manner or process condition and quality. This question word also applies to asking for price, duration, frequency, age, method, and distance or quantity. Example, how can you explain this problem? How was your exam? How far is Magelang from Bogor? How much money do you have? How often you smoking in a week? The next is question word structure. Question word structure, first is question word structure with auxiliary verb. The structure is WH plus auxiliary verb, to be, do, or have, plus subject, plus main verb, plus question mark. Next is question word with modal verb. WH plus modal verb, can, could, will, shall, should, may, might, must, plus subject, plus main verb, plus modal verb, plus question mark. The next is question word without auxiliary or modal verb. It's just WH plus main verb and question mark. And there is negative question word. Example is who want ice cream? The negative version is who doesn't want an ice cream. Why do you love me? The negative version is why don't you love me? That's just from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.